We are not going. Shall we discuss question paper, children? Sunday test, is it?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
Quickly, we will recapitalize the question paper, then we will discuss our part.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you able to see my screen, children?
No, ma'am. Actually.
Not yet, ma'am.
Ma'am, discussing will take a lot of time.
No, we will quick discussion. We will go, children. Drona need to join. Why Drona is not at all join? Other day also I see Drona is there in meet right now. I think Drona, everyone are there.
Ma'am, he's not there.
Okay, let me check Drona. I'll keep message for him. Class 6, what are the topics on Sunday test, children, for you? Yeah, algebra, right? Algebraic expressions.
Ma'am, can you repeat once what you said?
Sunday test, what is the test given for class 6? I think algebraic expressions, right?
Yes, ma'am. Algebraic.
25 questions I gave. 1 minute, children.
Ma'am, can you give any worksheet for practicing, ma'am?
We have many worksheets in your Google Classroom, right? You please go with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't wait for me. Please go with it. There are many worksheets, tough, complex things also there. Please go with IMO worksheets and our own worksheets. We have more than each chapter have 15 to 16 parts. And 1 minute, children, I'm sharing my screen. I thought I shared. No, I didn't share it. Now you are able to see, I think so, right? Children, are you able to see?
Can you give any quizzes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
1
quizzes
minute.
on fractions and decimals.
Oh, okay, we'll go. Just quick at 25 minutes means 30 seconds we will take for each question. So we will finish quickly.
Ma'am, that means it is 1 minute.
No, don't answer. I will call the students. Suhana, please answer the first question, Suhana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, don't.
I will call the student name. Please answer quickly. 30 seconds.
Ma'am, the rest of the students can give in direct chat, na, ma'am?
Yes, you can send. So what number plus 5 gives you 8? There is a simple balance image I drawn for you. You are understanding also. L right side you have 8 cages. If you want to make a left side also 8 cages, what number you are supposed to put in place of value of x?
And 3.
Wait, Suhana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for
Ma'am,
it?
we just need to do, ma'am.
3. Very good.
Ma'am, we need to do subtraction.
Yes, you need to do subtraction. 1 minute, children. Drona should join.
Ma'am, it's Drona.
Something okay, let it be. You can. Yeah, please see the question paper again somewhere. It's went off. Okay.
Ma'am, can you give the quizzes link?
No need. I want to see whether how much we are doing. That's my intention.
Ma'am, I direct chatted you all the 10 questions, ma'am. First 10 questions.
Very good, Nana. Please check quickly with my answers too. Come on, make
Can
it.
you
Okay,
say the name of the quiz, ma'am? So I could.
Solving simple equations. It is your questions are in your wise app too. No need of searching for again.
Yes, ma'am. It's already there in my.
Next part you see the question number 2 for Daksh. Please answer my question. If you
Yes, ma'am.
subtract what number from R, you will minus 8. If you subtract minus 8 from R, you will get 10. So what is R value?
Ma'am?
What number?
Ma'am, 12.
If I 12 minus 8, how much?
Wait. I'm 18.
Very good. 18 minus 8 is 10, right? Next,
Technically said 12.
next question to Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
is P by 5 equal to 3. What number
Ma'am,
divided?
15.
Very good. Next, Lohini. Lohini. Lohini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, you need to tell the value of S here. So S is 9 is multiplied with S. If you send to transpose to other side, it come under division, right?
Yes. So to do that, it is D. S is equal to -6.
Wonderful, wonderful, very good, Lohini. Next question goes to Yadharth Ratnam.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the solve the equation, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
This is only tricky question I gave actually. Rest of
Ma'am, 10 2y plus 2
Very
minus y is equal to 2 8y minus 8. Ma'am, the
Right.
answer is A, ma'am, because y is equal to -12. Ma'am.
if negative 12, if you substitute negative 12, 12 minus
Ma'am, I found the quiz. I can say the answer.
minus 22 minus 22 into 10 minus 2, 10 minus y means minus 12 minus 222. If you substitute here right side, 8. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. Very good. You are correct. Next question. That is really tricky question. You are giving very good. Next question goes to
Ma'am, it's actually simple, ma'am, actually.
simple only. You place the value of 12. So the left and right both are equal. Then it is yours are correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next one, Nana. Please, next question goes to Sri Harsha. -9 plus what number? X gives 3. What is the value of X? Quick answer still in. Sri Harsha Alluri, please.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Karthik.
Well.
Karthik, very good. Correct. Karthik, wait. Karthik, who is responded right now?
Ma'am, me.
Wait. That Harsha is there. Sri Harsha, please respond. If you are in class, means please respond, children.
Ma'am, I gave the next 10 questions, ma'am. So 20 questions I gave already.
Karthik, Gagan Karthik, please here. Please, question number 6 and 7. Can you please answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sixth question is answer is 12, ma'am.
12 minus 9, 3. Wonderful. The next question goes to 7. Question number 7, Nana.
1 minute.
Just a sign.
Ma'am, I gave all the answers in direct chat, ma'am. 1 to 25.
Yeah, this is a nice question, children. 7th question. You need to find only value of X. We don't want a sign. You just send the sign to other side means -5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all, children. That's all. Next question goes to where is Suhana, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana,
Yes, ma'am.
minus 10 equal to -1 by 2 into X. If what value if you place in place of X, you will equate to -10 there. Is it 20 by 2 is -10?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer here?
X was 20.
Good, ma. Next question, Lohini.
-7 is equal to x minus 8.
Very
So we
good.
have to get there to minus
Other
7 will be plus 7. So
no,
the
-7 is as it is. -8 becomes +8.
plus 8. So the answer will be x is equal to 1.
Very good, ma. Very good. Next, 10th question. Sri Harsha is not responding in today's class. So I want
Ma'am,
to
can I?
yeah, Yadharth Ratnam, wait. Sri Harsha, please respond in class. If you are in class, please listen the class. My sincere request. Or else if you have really work, put in the chat box, I have so and so work, so I'm unable to listen your class. Please put the message. So 1 by 5x equal to 5. Yadharth Ratnam. Here 1 by 5 reciprocal to other side.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 by 5 reciprocal is 5. 5 into 5 is?
125, ma'am.
Right.
So the answer is D, ma'am.
Right. Next, Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. X minus 6 equal to minus 4. I want only value of
X minus 6 equal to minus 4. 1 minute. I'll just check the. Ma'am, it is 10.
no, it's
No, no.
not.
No, ma'am, it is 2. It's 2.
Very good. It's 2. Good. Who is giving answer?
Ashwath.
Daksh, please answer 12th question.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want only x value. Plus 6 is there. Yes. Plus 6, if you transpose to other side, it become.
Ma'am?
Yeah, please. What is the value of x?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so wait, 6 minus. Ma'am, it's going to be 18. Minus 18.
Very good. Minus 18. If you transpose minus 18 plus 6 gives minus 12, you are correct. Next question. Yeah, question is Gagan Karthik. Please respond for 13th question. Gagan Karthik, please respond for 13th question. Answer the 13th.
Ma'am, can I do for 14th question, ma'am, Harsha?
Yes, Harsha, please. I'm continuously calling. You're not responding, Harsha. Please, 13th question you can answer right now. 13. I will give next question to Gagan.
Okay.
Please read the question. First of all, please read the question.
Sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. What is the equation of the statement?
So, the sum of 3 times of x
Ma'am,
and
some noise is coming on.
yeah, please. Sum of 3 times of x and 11 is 32. So please, which equation true? Your statement, which equation satisfies your statement below? There are few equations. Which equation? Sum of 3 times x and 11 gives 32.
Ma'am, I think the option B 3x.
Yes, ma'am. 3x plus 11 is equal to 32.
Very good, very good. Gagan, please respond for 14th
Ma'am,
bit.
can you call me, ma'am?
Yes, Gagan. Gagan, 14th bit. Please answer the 14th bit.
Ma'am, it's 4, ma'am.
Very good. It's simple. 4 plus 6 gives 10. Next, Suhana, please read the 15 and answer the 15th question.
Yes, ma'am. Write an equation for if a away 6 from 6 times y or y you get 16.
Very good. So, write an equation for if you take away means you are giving to others.
Ma'am, it is
Minus.
ma'am 6 y is 11 here.
Wait, Daksh, wait. Let her answer. I
Ma'am,
will
that's Ashwath, not Daksh, ma'am.
I didn't
Ashwath,
answer.
please.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
wait. Suhana, you are taking
ma'am.
take away 6 from 6 times y. Which equation satisfies your answer? You are getting answer as 60. But you are subtracting. Take away means you are giving to others.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. 6y minus 6 equals to 16.
very good, very good. Good. Next question, Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 1, ma'am.
1 minus 1 is 0.
0, ma'am.
Right. 17th answer, please, Ashwath.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. It is 7.
On
Ma'am,
add-
it is. Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, why you kept very easy questions in the test, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
except for one question, it was kind of hard, but I found it to be easy. But ma'am, I started the test at 5:10. That's why I did so many wrong. And I didn't attempt some questions.
Why it is looking you are answering every question right now? But what happened yesterday? You are lazy Sunday.
And that
Relax.
I started the test at 5:10, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Yes, children. 17th bit. Please read on adding 4 to 8 times a
Ma'am,
number.
it is 8 times 7 is 56. So if we add if we add 4 to 56, it is 60. Or 60 divided by 8 is 7. Sorry. No, 60 divided by 8 minus 4 is 7.
So what is answer correct here?
7.
7.
Very good. Next, 18th. That should
Okay,
add 18th and 19th.
Ma'am, you called me?
18th and 19th, answer the question.
Ma'am, I'm supposed to answer 18th and 19th. Okay. 18th. The sum of 3 times a number and 4 is 40. Find the number. The sum of 3 times the number and 4 is 40.
You just go with your actions. Which option will true your statement? You just go like that. So 3 times your number. So
Yes,
if you take as 12 as your number, 12 threes are
Ma'am, 12 threes are 36.
and 4.
Yes, ma'am. It's 12.
So which answer is satisfied
B.
here? Like that you have to check, children.
B,
Don't
B.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Next question, 19th bit.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 19th one. Simplify the expression 5a 2b 3a 4. 5a and 3a.
Like terms.
8a. 8a
Oh,
and
signs are our parents. Signs
Wrong,
are
ma'am.
parents. We should not neglect our parents.
wait.
Yes, 5 minus 3.
Oh, wait. Remember 2a.
Very good. So which statement is true?
2a, ma'am. B.
If I see next question, Gagan,
Uh,
next question, Yadharth Ratnam.
Ma'am?
Yadharth, please answer the question. 20
Ma'am,
and
20th question, ma'am.
20, 21, please.
Ma'am, 20th, which equation is equivalent to 2y plus 11? Ma'am, A,
The
ma'am.
bracket,
2.
yeah, distributive property. Nana.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
2y plus 11.
Wait, don't answer, reveal answer.
Ma'am, that's what I said,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
2y plus 22.
You
ma'am.
told 2y plus 20.
2y plus 22 is correct. children.
Ma'am, 2y plus 22 only, no, ma'am?
Yes, correct only. Because bracket outside number is distributed, mother and children property. 2
Yes,
multiplied
ma'am.
by is 2y. 2 into 11 is 22. So 2
Yes,
by
ma'am.
11, 22. So first option is correct. Next question.
Ma'am, simplify the expression 17 plus 7h minus 19 plus 14h. Ma'am, you should take the common, ma'am. 7h, 14h, 17 and 19, ma'am. If you do the math, it will be a B option, ma'am. 21h minus 2.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Very good. Ashwath, very good. Next, I want answer from
Yadharth, not Ashwath.
Ma'am, you get the name, always confused.
no Lohini. Lohini, please respond. Lohini, please respond.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent you all the answers before.
Very good, Nana. Very good.
Ma'am,
I'll always appreciate.
Ma'am, I also sent you, ma'am, all the answers.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
sent you all the answers before, but you didn't check.
Okay. I want answer from Lohini 22nd bit. What are like terms, please?
The like terms are x, 2x
Very
and
good.
7x.
What is coefficient of x coefficients? Please add and give answer. Yes. What is the coefficient of x there? Nana, like
I'm
terms.
just adding, ma'am. That's all.
Just
Ma'am,
adding.
It's 9 plus 1, ma'am. 9x plus 1.
Ma'am, C option.
Very good. 9x plus 1. X you should not leave, Nana. Variable also you should take. Only
Yes.
numbers you are adding and variable as it is 9x plus 1. Next. The Sri Harsha Alluri, please. 23 and 24. Sri Harsha and no, Gagan will answer for 24. Sri Harsha, please answer for 23.
Ma'am, should I answer for 23rd question, ma'am?
No, 24 and 25 for you, Gagan. The Sri Harsha not
He is
responding.
not responding.
Okay, Gagan, please carry with the 23 question.
Ma'am, A1, ma'am, 5a plus 9.
Wonderful, Nana. 4a plus 1a gives 5a, 5a plus 9. Wonderful. Next 24, Gagan.
Ma'am, you will get you would have got like 25 messages from me now.
Okay, that's please Gagan answer next question or else I'll move to Daksh. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
Well, yeah, please answer 24th question.
Yes, ma'am. So 24th, simplify.
What are like terms? Please catch
Ma'am,
all.
like terms are 14K and 16K.
What 16? Is it negative 16 or positive
Ma'am,
16?
negative 16.
So 14 minus 16, what is the value?
Ma'am, 2.
So my
Two.
which
Okay.
two? Which two? Which two?
2K.
Sign.
Minus
Which-
2K.
Signs are our parents' children. If you forget your sign means I will beat you children.
Ma'am, it is minus 2K plus
Minus
22.
2K plus 22.
Right, Nana, right. Next 25th, Suhana, please answer my
Ma'am,
20.
please, ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
26.
Suhana.
Simplify. Minus 50 minus 11 plus 3e plus 18b.
So three, what are like terms, Suhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Like terms, the same variable terms.
Ma'am, 15 and 11.
Yeah.
Ma'am, negative 15, ma'am.
Negative 15 and negative 11 together, how much?
Yes, ma'am.
Or else first go with variable terms.
Ma'am, the answer is 21g minus 4.
21g minus
4.
no, both are the
Ma'am,
same.
wrong, ma'am.
You should add 11 and 15 and keep common sign as
Okay, ma'am.
minus sign. Because since both are like signs, you should add Suhana.
Ma'am, but there is no only minus
ma'am.
or.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer. 21 e plus, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear you. Please.
Yes,
continue.
ma'am. The answer is 21 e plus minus 26.
Very
Correct,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Correct, Nana. It's
Mm.
20 minus 26. Plus
Yes, ma'am.
minus. Option C is correct. That's all, children.
Ma'am, now can we do quiz on fractions?
Ma'am, only 10 minutes left,
Yes,
ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
no,
I
no.
like
We
quiz on
started.
fractions.
Actually, we start.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
We started at 5:30,
What
ma'am.
Yeah, but the class was supposed to start at
Five.
5:15. So we have
Ma'am, I like your
23
quiz,
minutes.
ma'am.
Children, see what you can see on your topmost 1 minute. Your class will start say within 10 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am, can you please give a quiz, ma'am?
yes, that's why I'm giving fractions and decimals quiz right now. Be ready with your quiz.
Ma'am, I liked your quiz, ma'am. Can you check once?
You are sharing?
No, I liked your quiz in my.
Oh, I will see. Thank you.
See the notifications 5:1 near enter code. Hacker Pro 666 like your quiz
Yes.
class.
Yes, I can. Right.
Ma'am, once can you check the chat, ma'am?
Chat box. Okay.
Ma'am, once can you check my chat box also?
Everyone, I will check. Don't worry. Tomorrow's what is the exam, children? I think no exam for 10th class. Day after
No,
tomorrow have exam, I think. 42 charts. Oh God. So there are many answers given.
Ma'am, I gave you the answers, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, we'll go with children. The quiz part, children. Don't waste our time because the time is very precious.
Very.
We have no time. Also.
Yes.